Choosing to work for DuraTech, you'll feel good about the work atmosphere you're being invited into.
Because we're a growing organization, we're recruiting all the time. One of the things that we look for in new recruits is the positive attitude, the willingness to learn, and just excitement about the job. You don't even have to know anything about printing. You don't have to know anything about our industry, but you have to have those three things, and we'll teach you everything else.
Our team is the key to delighting customers and securing a bright future for the economy. Many relationships will be formed through your connection with fellow coworkers at DuraTech.
The people here are fantastic. It is a very family-oriented company. We have team leaders that are always hauling out the DuraTech grill, and they're making burgers and hot dogs for their teams whenever they want.
You're doing something different almost every day. That also challenges you to learn a little bit more of different aspects of the company.
What I would tell some of my friends about working at DuraTech is that I'm able to really challenge myself in terms of technical aptitude, to push the boundaries to see what can I do to develop new technologies and to really change the world.
If you're interested in starting a career with DuraTech, I encourage you to give us a try. Most of the team members that stay for the first year will find that they end up retiring from DuraTech. Thank you so much for your time.